important government schemes and its implementing ministries or department. So this is part 2. I already provide part 1. So watch my playlist where I'm providing the part 1. So in this video I will provide another 50 government schemes with its implementing ministries or the department. So watch this video till end. Do like, share and subscribe this platform so that you can see the new update, and do check my description box also where I'm providing my other platform name and link. So let's start the video. So the first government scheme is PM Gram Sinchai Yojana. So its implementing ministry is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Okay, so this presentation is divided into table form and PPT presentation hai. So second is National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture. So this implemented by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Move on to third, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. So this scheme is implemented by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Move on to fourth, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA is implemented by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development. ठीक है, move on to next slide. Fifth one is Kastuba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. So this implemented by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Okay. Sixth one is Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. So this implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. So in this video I am just providing the government scheme and its implementing ministry or the department, so that I will provide you the gist of the government scheme. If you want any scheme explanation, you can comment me on the comment box. I will provide another video on that topic of that scheme. Okay, so move on to seventh, GYAN. Its full form is Global Initiative of Academic Network. So it's implemented by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Okay. Next is Integrated Scheme for Agriculture and Marketing, implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Ninth one is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, implemented by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Okay. Move on to next slide. Please comment me on the comment box how you like this presentation, because this presentation requires a lot of effort. So do comment on the comment box. Okay. Move on to 10th scheme, that is National Dairy Plan. So this implemented by Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fishing. Next is 11th, National Agriculture Market, implemented by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Move on to 12th scheme, Midday Meal Scheme, implemented by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Now move on to 30th scheme, UDAY. UDAY stands for Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana. This scheme is implemented by Ministry of Power. Move on to 14th scheme, Pradhan Mantri Laghu Vagyapri Man Dhan scheme is implemented by Labor and Employment. Okay. Move on to next slide. 15th scheme is National Horticulture Mission, implemented by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Move on to 16th scheme, National Food Security Mission, is implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Next is 17th Tribal Youth Exchange Program, implemented by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Next is 18th Spark Initiative. Its full form is Scheme for Promotion of Academic and Research Collaboration. It's implemented by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Move on to 19th scheme, Bharatiya Adhin Jati Sevak Sangh, is implemented by Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So this ministry and scheme is very important. Move on to next scheme and the next slide. 20th scheme is Kisan Crop Insurance. So this scheme is implemented by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Move on to 21, Bharatiya Poshan Krishi Kosh BPKK, implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development along with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This scheme is also important. Move on to next. M. Haryali app is implemented by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next is 23rd, National Biopharma Mission is implemented by Ministry of Science and Technology. 24th scheme of this slide is National Biopharma Mission is implemented by Ministry of Science and Technology. Move on to next slide and next table. 25th scheme is International Cooperation Scheme implemented by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, that is MSME. Next is 26th, E-Gram Swaraj portal is implemented by Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next is 27th, Jan Shikshan Sansthan is implemented by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Next is 28th scheme, that is Market Intelligence and Early Warning System implemented by Union Ministry of Food Processing. Next 29th and the last scheme of this slide is National Supercomputing Mission is implemented by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So please watch this video till end. Move on to next slide. Satyam program, that is Science and Technology of Yoga and Meditation. This scheme is implemented by Department of Science and Technology. Next 31 is Kishori Health Card is implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next 32, Nasha Mukt Bharat Annual Action Plan. This implemented by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next is 33rd, ROPEX is implemented by Ministry of Shipping. This scheme is also important. Next is 34th, GOAL. Its full form is Going Online as Leader. It's implemented by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Okay, so move on to next slide. 35th is Thousand Spring Initiative implemented by Union Tribal Affairs Ministry. Next is 36th, E-BSES project is implemented by Ministry of Civil Aviation. Next is 37, Eco Network is implemented by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next is 38, Operation Thirst is implemented by Ministry of Railways. 39 scheme is National Care scheme is implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, move on to next slide. 40th scheme is Suman. So its full form is Surakshit Mitrabha Ashvasan Initiative. So it's implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next is 41, that is Project Card. Project Card full form is Consortium for Affordable and Rapid Diagnostics. So it's implemented by Niti Aayog and the Department of Biotechnology. Okay, move on to 42, that is Satat Initiative. It's implemented by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. 43rd scheme is National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme. It's implemented by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. 44th scheme is Social and Infrastructure Development Fund. It's implemented by Ministry of Development of North East region. Okay, move on to next slide, that is 45th, E-Raktakosh portal, that is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next is 46th, Yukti 2.0. It's implemented by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Next 47, PM Vidya is implemented by Union Finance Ministry. Next is 48, Bhumi Rashi portal is implemented by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next is 49, Mission Parvodya, that is implemented by Union Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel Ministry. Now move on to last and final scheme of this presentation is 50th scheme, that is India State Level Disease Burden Initiative. This is very important, that's why I kept in the last. So it's implemented by Indian Council of Medical Research, Public Health Foundation of India and Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So this scheme is very important. So that's all for today. I provide you 100 government schemes in part 1 and part 2 together. So watch these 2 videos so that you can get the more information. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe this platform. Do watch another video on my playlist and keep yourself busy and active. Stay safe, stay home and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द. टिल देन बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे एंड कीप लर्निंग.